Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to check Kwik Trip gift card balance. Checking your Kwik Trip gift card balance is a straightforward and an easy process. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and launch open a web browser and then type in quickrewards.com and press enter. Also make sure that you're signed into your Kwik Rewards account. After you're inside the main home page, go ahead and scroll all the way down. Click on the gift cards option and then click on continue button right under check card balance. Now enter your gift card number and its PIN in the text boxes. You will be able to find your number and PIN at the back of your gift card. Make sure you enter the gift card number correct and then type in your 4-digit PIN on the next field and click on I'm not a robot and finally check balance by clicking on check balance. You can also go ahead and call the Kwik Trip customer service and they will be able to help you look up for gift card balance. So that is how you will be able to check your balance on Kwik Trip gift card. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.